Hey guys, BK Bricks here, back for another LEGO video, and today I'm just going to be showcasing the MOC that I built for TD Bricks' MOC contest. As you can see, I kind of already tore it apart. It's going to be like a teardown video, kind of Dan the Fan style, you know. So, one of my favorite parts of this MOC was actually this wall back here, so just pull that off. And you can see there's some graffiti on it. And this was just done using an illegal technique, but it's just sliding bricks. And friction just holds it in. It's fun to do. There's like a Lego style head right here. Not much, just kind of a medieval wall style, like you can tell the different bricks. Oh, by the way guys, I'm joined by my brother. He is the owner of the channel BK Games. Yo. He is just building back there. Yep. This wall is pretty interesting because I think the biggest piece that I used for it is literally this piece, or the tallest one at least. Alrighty. And also in this MOC, I used a four-wheeler design. This was originally just gonna go like that, but it's kind of unstable, so I don't really care if it falls down or not, because, well, definitely I would prefer it not to, but it's just held together by some cut flex tube, and that holds the wheels on pretty nicely. And then the body itself is just a simple body, just made with some pretty basic bricks. Alrighty, and now we're going on to the car. Okay. This car was basically designed to be a Porsche. And stay tuned, because I'm actually going to make this into an actual MOC that hopefully will turn out decent. I may not make a video on it, but comment down below if you want me to. Definitely want to hear that feedback. And this is just something I've been playing around with. It uses like just the normal Speed Champions wheels. And that's for the car MOC part. Now let's look at the minifigures. Okay, so this minifigure is like one of the people who is just hanging out in this MOC. She has been like in the zombie apocalypse thing for a while, I guess. That's good. That's basically it. She's wearing a jacket. And this guy right here, he's wearing Bane's shirt, I think. Can't remember. What does that look like to you, Vince?
That's Bane's shirt.
Cool. Looking pretty shredded. He has Luke's head from an older Land Speeder set, or maybe the Cantina set from a while ago. Yeah. I don't know.
Wait, no, that's Yoda's hut.
Yeah, I don't know. And yep, that's the broski. Now let's take a look at some of these zombies. So this is a half zombie. He was positioned over here, kind of trailing some blood right here. pretty interesting. This was another zombie right here. By the way, all of these zombie, let me just get that into focus. There we go, okay. All of these zombies are, all of the heads are from the Minifig Company, or Minifig Co., something like that. And they do a really good job. I bought quite a few of them for a mock I did before I was into YouTube, right, Vince? We did it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Zombie Apocalypse mock.
Yeah, it was a fun mock. It's when we really started getting into Legos. But yeah, we bought some. Quick reference to Emmett. He's got his builder's outfit with that his manual thing. This one's kind of an interesting one. He's got like part of his brain showing. Pretty cool. Alrighty. Now on to the telephone pole sort of thing. Okay. This is kind of big and long, so this is a telephone pole. Just used some of these Technic pin pieces sort of things in brown, and just this is pretty common piece. I think it looks pretty decent, pretty post-apocalyptic-y. And then for the base, it's just stuck in there, kind of like that. It's just in this barrel piece. Looks pretty good, I guess. And then for some of the accessories, we've got like a gas canister. Oh, for those of you who are waiting on an update for the Ford Bronco, I will be adding these to the off-roading version. And he's got his helmet and a blowtorch. And there's this pretty interesting barrel design that uses minifigure heads with these tires around them. And when you stick them around them, it looks like a pretty good barrel, in my opinion. And then toolbox, then a spray paint can for that, the graffiti. And now we're gonna move on to probably my favorite part of this whole build, the monkey tree. This was my first decent looking monkey tree. It took me quite a while to make, gonna be honest. It was very fun, but quite difficult, for me at least. Probably you guys would have some better success with it. But it paid off, I think. I think the pain paid off. I did have to steal a couple pieces from my sister's set, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna take that off. Okay, so those of you who don't know how a monkey tree is assembled, it's basically these Indiana Jones whip pieces. There we go. Just assembled around basically flex tubing and just other brown pieces such as like pitchforks, Harry Potter wands, pistols, spyglasses, and even snowshoes. It is one of my favorite techniques, and I think it was invented by Dan the Fan. I could be wrong. He uses it sometimes, and I think it's super cool, and I wanted to try it out, and I finally got one that I was happy with for this MOC. Oh, and it also uses a monkey piece sometimes. It's your choice, but I chose to add a monkey piece for mine. Alrighty. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. It was a blast making this MOC. Sorry I haven't updated you guys for kind of a while, actually. And so we're going back to Lego stuff. Keep doing fingerboarding stuff, probably, yeah. Just had to take down the fingerboard park for a little bit because of some weather that might have warped it, but we'll set it back up and continue making those videos. And see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.